Life of a dealer, man. I'm telling y'all, it ain't all peaches and cream. What's going on, y'all? We back at it again, man. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Chuck's Daily Hustle. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share, man. And then most definitely, you got to follow me on all the social media platforms, man. The links are in the description below. And then go ahead and smash that notification bell, man. It's right next to the subscribe button. And if you haven't, I need you to go shop Major Nation Shop, man. I got the merch, and that's in the description below as well, man. So I would appreciate that, y'all. But enough of all that, man. Actually, I'm gonna say one more thing, man. If you're not investing, then you need to go down in the description below, and then you need to go get you a free stock. You sign up, I get a free stock, you get a free stock with Robinhood. So if you're not investing yet, you haven't got you no Bitcoin, no crypto yet, you need to go grab that joint, man. And you need to go invest in some other stuff. But I'm not here to give y'all any type of stock, stock advice or anything like that. I'm just here to just share the benefits, and then so we both can reap the benefits. But anyways, man, I am currently on the road, man, and it snowed again, but they actually cleared up the road today. So as you can see, y'all, I got snow right on the hood, man. So we got 4 inches last night or throughout the day or whatever. I actually thought it was going to be horrible, but we're actually good, man. So getting ready to just make me a quick run to my crib, and then that van, man, the van I showed y'all yesterday at Resurrection Detail, that thing is now officially done. So that's ready for pickup, but I don't know if I'm going to pick it up today or not. I have to get me some help, so we're going to see how that goes. And then I'm supposed to be selling that Freestyle today, man. So hopefully we get that thing going, and then we'll be good. I'm also waiting on Brian to get done with the Chevy Suburban. Once he's done with that, I forgot what he was doing to that car, actually. Oh, he's putting a starter on there. So if he's done with that, then we're gonna pick that joint up, and then we're gonna sell that joint. So I got somebody, I already told y'all, we got him lined up for that. So if I can sell 2 cars today, man, that would be dope, man. Also, I heard that people start getting they little $600 stimulus or relief check or whatever. So somebody on my timeline today said that they got their direct deposit. So that's a good thing too, because now we got some more dollars going to be circulating the economy. So hopefully we can get some of these cars sold. Unfortunately, I don't have any $1,500 cars left. Well, I got one left actually. So that thing should probably be going pretty quick. But these other high-end cars, man, it's just kind of a waiting game. But it is what it is. But I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Enough of me keep on talking y'all ear off.
Sheesh. Taking over, taking off. He's smashing like he got this fast. Woo, woo, woo. I'm up, 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 I'm up. We up, we up. I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up.
What's up, y'all? We are at Resurrection Detail at the new location, and here is this cheap van that I got detailed because it was disgusting. So if you didn't see the video from yesterday, that's just snow, y'all. So if you didn't see the video from yesterday, then you saw what it was looking like then. So here is the final result. This thing was super dirty, y'all, and I can't complain when it comes to the quality of work on this one. So it's pretty good, actually. I mean, real good, actually. Let me not say pretty good. It's got 225 on it, y'all, so it's just a real cheap car. Somebody gonna get up getting this for like $1,000. Just a good running car. There go my Brazilian nuts, man. Y'all make sure y'all eat healthy, man. Eating all that fast food. Get my keys over here if I lose them. So here it is right here. This one ain't got the stow and go, but it's still gonna be a good van for somebody that needs to put their family in there. I gotta go get my master window switch. I forgot that I had took it out, and then I got the window regulator for this, so we can get that all fixed. Show y'all the back of this real quick. Oh, I forgot the key. Gotta have the key to open that. So as y'all know, these used cars, sometimes they got a little tricks to them to get them working right, but that lift gate does open. I just got to use my damn key, y'all. So here is the final result, all sides, y'all. So I'm going to take, I know y'all probably was looking at it too with these wheel covers. If I can't find a matching wheel cover. Then I'm going to go ahead and buy some cheap aftermarket joints, and then we are going to go ahead and finish that joint up like that. I hit up the lady because I don't feel like driving all the way out to the office. Well, I didn't feel like driving all the way out to the office without her confirming that she was coming out for sure, but she didn't. So either way it goes, y'all, I'm about to run out to the office, and then I need to put my dual plate on this car. I'm gonna run out to the office, and then hopefully they come get that Freestyle, man. I'll be highly upset if they don't come get this car they playing around. So, but we shall see. Let's get on the road. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are at the lot again, and it snowed again. They plowed a little bit though, but we got some cars that are, I gotta get these joints started. Oh, look at this, man. Y'all gotta see this, man. Look at, first off, look at the Saturn view. Now, I don't even, no, that's too hot. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. This is how much snow it is, y'all. Up to my shin. Now, I gotta go on that other side. I'm gonna show y'all this in a second. Let me go get these keys and stuff. But I gotta show y'all how much snow it is. Matter of fact, y'all can probably see. Let me see if I can zoom in on this joint for y'all. Look at all that snow, y'all, in between them cars. That's crazy, man. That's nuts. Life of a dealer, man. I'm telling y'all, it ain't all peaches and cream. But when you get a good roll, man, you get a good start, you get your foot in the door, ain't no turning around, man. Keep on going. Keep on telling y'all, man, take the positive and run with it. Even though you may see some negativity around you, you know what I mean? Like, we got all this snow. I hate doing it, but at the end of the day, somebody got to do it. Somebody got to make the money, man. Real quick update, y'all. So the Freestyle people that came out and said they were going to buy the car, you know, a couple days ago, they did not respond to me at all, and it is 3:37. So I think they're doing a no call, no show. I asked them were they still coming out, so obviously they played me for no apparent reason. Good news is the not the Freestyle, the Suburban's done, so the starter is put in. I just texted that customer and just checked with him. Wait on him to respond for him to let me know if he wants to come and check out the car actually tomorrow. So it's looking like it might be tomorrow because it's getting ready to be dark. So I know he wanted to see it before when it was in the light. So hopefully we get something sold, man, because we need to make some money. And we need blue faces, like I keep on telling y'all, man. So what I gotta do real quick, man, is I gotta do some administrative stuff, which I hate. Y'all know that, man. So I gotta do some paperwork, and then I'm about to get up out of here, and then we're gonna go maybe pick up this Suburban and see what we can do, man. We got a lot of stuff to do, and hopefully we can knock it all out today. All right, family. We did not sell a car. It's all good. Not gonna trip on it, but good thing is that I am on my way and calling it a day, man. So I didn't get anything done outside of like administrative paperwork and all that crap, which is fine. And when I'm saying administrative paperwork, that's just kind of like me being fancy. So I just did I just did all the stuff on the back end, man, for the business, man. So I just got all that taken care of. That way we can go into the New Year's with on a positive note, man. So I do want to say, just in case I don't post a video for y'all, man, Happy New Year's. And I hope y'all have a blessed New Year's, man. I hope in 2021 we get more car dealers that's gonna be out there, man. I hope we get the current car dealers that are out there. I hope y'all have a very, very abundant year. Y'all make lots and lots of money. Even if you're not a car dealer and you just here, man, I just hope you have a great New Year's, man. I hope that, you know, you bring it in right and you have all the blessings that you need, man. I'm not going to even trip, you know what I'm saying? I haven't sold a car in a little while, but it's all good, man. We're getting everything together, and that's all I can say, man. I did want to let y'all know too, man, somebody did hit me up for the Ford Freestyle, outside of the people that did a no call, no show on me, man. So tomorrow I'm gonna be linking up with dude, and hopefully he buys the car. That would be super dope. And then I'm most definitely linking up with the dude for the 05 Chevy Suburban. So the Chevy Suburban should be going tomorrow. I'm just gonna claim this right now. The Suburban is gonna be going tomorrow. I'm gonna take them blue faces from his hand, and I'm gonna put them in my hand, and I'm gonna put them in my pocket, and we're gonna be good, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I need, man. I need to sell a car, man. So that's all I can say. But yeah, man, I'm out, man. And like I said, man, I appreciate each and every single last one of y'all. And most definitely, man, you gotta follow me on all the social media platforms, y'all. I got all the links to everything in the description below. Like, actually go down there and look at the description. Like, I got free stocks for Robinhood, so if you sign up, then we both gonna get it. Like, it's a lot of stuff on there, man. So I don't want to keep on saying the same thing over and over, man. I want y'all to go check me out, man. But anyways, man, I'm out. Peace.